In this guide, I'll show you how to add crossplay friends in Apex Legends on PS4, PS5, Xbox, or PC. So from the home menu, the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller, and we're going to go to settings. Now under gameplay, you do want to scroll down until you see a crossplay option. Now for cross-platform play, it'll automatically be turned on for Xbox, but if you're on PS4, PS5, or PC, make sure this is enabled. Now you want to go back to the home screen, and if you have a look in the bottom right corner, you'll see which button you have to press to access your friends. If you're on controller, it's R3. So once you're here, what you want to do is have a look in the bottom left and see which button you have to press to find a friend. So it's Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. And now you want to search for your EA friend. So use the EA gamer tag that they have. In this example, I'm just going to search for Chad, and then I'm going to press start to search, and we're going to press search again at the bottom. And now if you have a look, you'll see all these different Chads on different consoles. So here we have Xbox, PlayStation, PC right down here. And it's simply a matter of selecting the person's name, and then it'll say friend request sent to this person. So then you just have to repeat this process to add all of your crossplay friends. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.